there's nothing sweeter than love, nothing more courageous, nothing higher, nothing wider, nothing more pleasant, nothing fuller or better in heaven or on earth, because love is born of God and cannot rest but in God. It is above all the things that God has created. And love is the reason that we're here tonight. Nikki and Derrek have chosen each other because of their vast love for one another. And we're gathered here today in the sight of family and friends and God to join them together in holy matrimony.
Nikki, something I've always admired about you is the high standard you've held for yourself in not only your friendships, but your relationships. And that honestly leads us to Derrek. All you really want for the people you love in your life is the best for them. And Derrek, I know in my heart you are what's best for Nikki. I couldn't trust anyone more than you to love her unconditionally for the rest of her life, to cherish her and build her up, to protect her heart and always put her first.
After Nikki said yes, we all hugged and cried, knowing that on this day, Nikki would without a doubt be the most beautiful bride. Now we're all here together, celebrating their love that brought us here, knowing God's hand was in it all, and that deserves a cheers. So to Nikki and Derrek, we raise our glasses to you, because there's no better pair fit for I do.
Nikki, you look so beautiful coming out. I mean, you brought tears into my eyes. You know, happiness for you and Derrek and your family and my family, and for everybody that's here tonight. We will always cherish Nikki as y'all do. Thank y'all for allowing my family to be part of your family.
I can't wait to see the love grow more over the years as y'all build a life and a family together. Nikki and Derrek, I love y'all a ton. You are incredible friends, both as a couple and individuals. I couldn't be more excited to celebrate this day with y'all.
A good marriage is dependent on many factors, but the first prerequisite is a strong bond of friendship and respect for one another, which I know both of you have. I believe that you will always find the tools that you need to work through anything as you seek something greater than yourself, your union as husband and wife. The perfect circle of the ring symbolizes eternity, and precious metal and stone is a symbol of all that is pure and holy. Our prayer is that your love for each other will be as eternal and everlasting as these rings. And in the years to come, may they remind you of the overwhelming joy of this special occasion, the night that you were united in marriage. Derrek and Nikki have chosen each other, declared their love and their purpose before family and friends, and have made their pledge to one another symbolized by the giving and receiving of rings. Now, by virtue of the authority vested in me by the laws of the state of Texas, I now pronounce that you are husband and wife. May you enjoy each other immensely all the days of your lives. Sir, you may kiss your bride. I present to you for the first time Mr. and Mrs. Derrek DeBala.
would like to do a toast to two great people. Both have a heart of gold. So here you go.